With the new home loan program from Bank of America, borrowers can purchase homes in a few cities with no money down and no closing charges. Home ownership will be more accessible for borrowers in minority communities thanks to this new financing. This video revolves around the details of the first ever loan program launched to help Black Americans. Increased to 51.1%. Both figures, nevertheless, are still much below the 72.1% home ownership rate for white people. So, to keep up with the percentage and to increase the number of first-time Blacks and Latino buyers who own homes, Bank of America is providing mortgages that do not need down payments, minimum credit scores, or closing expenses. Bank of America will extend loans to residents in a few predominantly Black and Hispanic communities in Charlotte, North Carolina, Dallas, Detroit, Los Angeles, and Miami under the experimental program unveiled last week. The Community Affordable Loan Solution Program does not require mortgage insurance, and eligibility is determined by area and income. According to A.J. Barkley, the head of neighborhood and community lending at Bank of America, the program's objective is to assist people and families, particularly Black and Hispanic people, in accumulating wealth over the long term. She said that anyone wishing to buy a home in one of the specified neighborhoods could apply for a loan under the scheme, saying it helps to revive minority communities. She stated that in addition to providing instructional resources to aid buyers in navigating the process, the bank planned to extend the initiative to additional locations in the future. Compared to white homeowners, Black and Hispanic home buyers have more challenges. Data from the U.S. Census Bureau for the second quarter of this year show that the national home ownership rate for Black people was 45% and 75% for white people. According to senior scholar Rashawn Ray of the Brookings Institution, Bank of America is moving intensely in the right direction. He added, this is a forward-thinking and necessary thing to do. Ray argued that the bank's move to waive its requirement for a minimum credit score was crucial since black people had historically been denied access to opportunities for credit building. The fact that Bank of America did not need down payments was also critical because this can be a significant barrier for black buyers who are less likely to receive assistance from their relatives or other sources, such as money from selling another home. By issuing fewer loans with less favorable terms for black applicants than white borrowers with similar credit histories, banks have contributed to racial inequalities in home ownership rates. His new initiative adds to and supports Bank of America's existing $15 billion community home ownership commitment, which aims to provide 60,000 individuals and families with affordable mortgages, industry-leading incentives, and educational opportunities by 2025. Bank of America has already assisted over 36,000 individuals and families in achieving home ownership through this pledge, contributing more than $9.5 billion in low down payment loans and more than $350 million in non-repayable down payment and closing cost awards. The Community Home Ownership Commitment has helped multicultural customers become homeowners in 2/3 of the loans and grants provided thus far. Additionally, Bank of America has a 26-year partnership with the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, NACA, through which the bank has pledged to offer low to moderate income home buyers an additional $15 billion in mortgages through May 2027. The National Association of Realtors reports that there is currently a discrepancy in home ownership between white and black Americans of about 30 percentage points and a gap of almost 20 percentage points for Hispanic buyers. Additionally, it has become increasingly challenging for prospective home buyers, mainly persons of color, to purchase homes due to the competitive housing market. AJ Barkley, manager of neighborhood and community lending at Bank of America, said, "Home ownership builds wealth over time and enriches our communities. Our community affordable loan solution, a part of our more significant commitment to communities we serve, will assist more black and Hispanic families in realizing their dream of sustainable home ownership." Bank of America offers instructional tools to help home buyers through the process, in addition to increasing access to credit and providing down payment assistance, including English and Spanish versions of the First Time Home Buyer Online Edu Series, a 5-part, simple-to-follow video guide to purchasing and financing a home. Free financial education resources from BetterMoneyHabits.com include financial management and house purchasing readiness videos. People can find state and local down payment and closing cost assistance programs near them with the aid of the Bank of America Down Payment Center website. More than 1,300 state and municipal programs that help with closing costs and down payments are supported by Bank of America. Using flags to indicate properties that might be eligible for Community Affordable Loan Solution (TM) and Bank of America grant programs. The Bank of America Real Estate Center website can assist home buyers in finding properties. In related news, Bank of America announced the start of a small business down payment program to support business growth and help minority and female business owners build wealth for future generations. Through grants, this particular purpose credit initiative will provide financing to historically underprivileged small company borrowers, allowing them to buy commercial real estate. With intentions to expand in 2023, the industry will debut in a small number of areas, including Atlanta, Chicago, Charlotte, Dallas, and Los Angeles. According to Chris Herbert, Managing Director of the Joint Center for Housing Studies at Harvard University, the Bank of America program could significantly aid in assisting low and middle-income individuals and families to purchase homes, as a lack of savings for a down payment is a significant barrier. It is crucial in that regard, he said. He asserted that tracking and keeping an eye on the pilot program's outcome will be crucial to learning which demographics are involved, whether locals are receiving good opportunities to own homes, and what effect the program has on local communities. He stated, "Those are open questions." That's it for this video, guys. I hope this information can help you get a house of your own. If you have any comments, leave a comment below and we will be happy to answer your questions in the following video. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon for the latest update.